This is Captain with his pacifier. And to say he doesn't love it would be an understatement. He loves this toy. He loves this pacifier, as you can all see. He is such a puppy. He just got a bath. That's why his hair looks like that. So his coat's still wet a little bit, a little damp. I'll brush him out after it dries. He will do this like forever. Unless I say the word, do you want to go? O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Then he will jump up and be ready to go. So cute, so funny. Thanks for watching.
He does like it, however, he can't get too deep in there because of how small he is. And so, if there was an extra small version of this, that would be even better. But he is enjoying the Puppy Kong spray that I put in there. And then after he's done looking at it, he will try and bite at it. So it's a good toy or chew toy, but he's not able to get as deep as probably a different dog would be able to. If there was an extra small version, it'd be better.
You're gonna put it in your mouth, making it a pacifier. Look at him. Is he doing it? They're supposed to like suck and.
It's supposed to be for puppies, but I feel a medium-sized dog. I don't know. It's just too big for the puppies. I might just buy a pacifier that babies use, but it's pretty big.
You like your Kong? You like it? I think so.
Looks like you're gonna have to start over.
Actually, I'm not. The revised autopsy report confirms exactly what I thought. The victim's death was accomplished through a solution of liquid nicotine absorbed solely through the scalp. Add that to the fact that we know his alibi is solid, the nicotine doesn't match, and there was no prenup, and I had Mr. Kingsley exactly where
That'd be environmentally irresponsible.
Right you are, Wilbur. Instead, we'll be using carbonation to fight the birds.
Observe.